Bullish Jasmy coin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Jasmy could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Jasmy coin presentation. Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the digital money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Notwithstanding, with this consistent advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin. Jasmy stage fills in as an information security convention that places information a vote-based system at a high worth and expects to go about as a mediator for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded gauges. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise speculation for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost gauge for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets in this manner, enhancing the conventional method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an immense scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework. Yet the organization used to fabricate it as Worldwide Space Record Frameworks, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is likewise Web3 stockpiling network that offers the motivating forces of Filecoin as its auxiliary. The advantage it offers to an individual is that you're responsible for your information and its utilization case, offering it to whomever you pick. Jasmy's organization will likely act as a dependable stage for clients and organizations that utilization their foundation and guarantee that its situation in the market can in any case take special care of one of the main concern issues of modern times. Jasmy coin got recorded on the Bittrex crypto trade and began to help Trust Wallet and MetaMask exchanges in May 2021. In September 2021, Slow Mist Innovation, a security organization that focuses on savvy contract reviews, marked a coordinated effort managed Jasmy. This association was to actually look at the security guidelines of the convention and its assessment mechanics. Also, inside a similar period, Jasmy cooperated with Sagan Tasu, one of the top groups in the Japanese Football Association, and turned into its support. In October 2021, Jasmy coin got recorded on Coinbase and Coinbase Ace. In the new year 2022, Jasmy reported that they intend to grow worldwide, fundamentally into North America and Asia. They expect to cultivate organizations with organizations in light of blockchain and man-made consciousness innovation. The organization allocated Kentaro Miura to assist it with growing its headquarters in the U.S., furthermore, to advance systems administration and unions with driving organizations in trend-setting innovation fields like Web3, simulated intelligence, and IoT, for the most part in Silicon Valley and WAC 2022. In April 2022, they cooperated with Mystico Network, a multi-chain protection programming improvement organization, will help client validation and guarantee information security and streamlining. Binance collaborated with Jasmy around the same time to offer a Tesla to a fortunate victor. Jasmy coin is as of now worth $0. Jasmy has moved 1.86% as of now with an exchanging volume of $56,043,496. Jasmy coin is as of now positioned 143 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $247,132,587 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Jasmy coin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Jasmy coin value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The JASMY cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. JASMY is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Jasmy coin JASMY cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of JASMY will before long outperform 1 cent. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the JASMY's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, JASMY will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and JASMY might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. JASMY is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026 assuming Jasmy coin effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees. The JASMY coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, JASMY will be green in 2026. The JASMY is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2027 after some broad gauging and specialized investigation. We gauge the JASMY cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, JASMY has a most extreme value worth of 2 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. On the off chance that JASMY figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help JASMY needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2029 while JASMY is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Jasmy coin value expectation 2030 by 2030. Jasmy coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Jasmy coin value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2030,